how to fix the App Store billing problem on iPhone. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the App Store billing problem on your iPhone. Stick with me till the end so you don't miss anything. Let's get into it. First, go ahead and open the App Store. Now look at the top right and tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on your name right at the top. This takes you into your Apple ID settings. Scroll down a little and tap on Manage Payments. Now, tap Add Payment Method. The reason you're seeing this issue is likely because of an unpaid balance, so Apple needs you to update or add a valid payment option before anything else can go through. Once you add your new payment method, Apple will automatically try to charge that unpaid balance to clear it. That should sort everything out and get your App Store working properly again. And that's it. If this video helped you out, give it a like and consider subscribing for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.